du soleil, pas 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 du soleil.
Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. On today's video I'm going to be showing you a few activities on my week. So this is a weekly vlog. I did a bit of visiting to my village and I can't resist showing you how beautiful it looks. The flowers are thriving and it's just the perfect environment, and I love nature of course, so I had to include this on this vlog. I also had a couple of highlights as I'll go showing you, and I tried as much as possible to capture what I could. I had a few highlights on my week, and one was that trying to prepare myself for a photo shoot for my birthday, because this is my birthday month. I also met up with my best friend and we had a chit chat and lunch. I also met up as usual with my sisters. I call them the two musketeers because the three of us are the three musketeers for lunch, tea, and yeah, a bit of catch up. So those were some of the favorite highlights I had for the week. So it has been a blessing and I'm grateful to God. So my usual place of hanging out is usually Java when we are in town, and because they have the best coffee, sandwiches, and of course their chicken is amazing as well. So of course we had to have some of that. On this vlog I've also included a little bit of shopping, and I will be doing a small grocery shopping haul. So yeah, let's go and do some grocery shopping together. My usual place for shopping is usually, yes, I'm always happy on my way home, and it's usually Two Rivers. But of course I also love Village Market. Once in a while I do shop there as well, because I think it's just the perfect place to hang out in this Nairobi. It's quiet and it has so much to offer. I have a small grocery shopping haul over here. I bought kale. Is this kale? Yeah, this is kale. We call it skuma wiki, a bunch for 20 shillings. Actually, the vegetables over there are pretty affordable. I got celery for, I think, a kg. It's almost a kg, this one, because a whole kg is going for 225 Kenya shillings. So this is more or less of kg. I got spinach, 2 bunches, I think for 23 Kenya shillings. I got, this is coriander, a bunch for 28 Kenya shillings. Here I got milk, Daima. This is my favorite. Right now I don't even know, I just pick, but I'm gravitating more on this Daima whole milk. I bought Faharia Kenya tea leaves, and yeah, I need to visit my mom so that I can get Gaduthi tea, but I'm going to be using this one in the meantime. I got my favorite buns from CARREFOUR, this pack of 6. That's bicarbonate of soda. I got some pasta over here. I got 2 packs of pasta. I've really missed pasta. I got gram flour because I will be making bhajias and gathians. Are they gathians or gathians? I don't know. Yeah, I'll be making more of that. Those are the drinks I have. Just a small Coke. I have dry red table wine. I have go fruit. I got nice and soft tissues, 2 packs of 10s. I like it. On this side I got Colgate triple action 2 packs. I have some sanitary pads over there, always the 3-in-1, and I also bought this value pack mop. This is a very nice pad. If you haven't tried it, you should try it because it's really nice. On this side I got rash scoring powder. I got Robert's antiseptic. I got tampons, Coltex. I got my favorite bathing soap. This is my best, Protex Deep Clean. I got some earbuds. On this side I got Sunlight hand wash powder. I also got the Sunlight bar, and I also got this pack of chicken flavor Indomie. Yeah, the other groceries I got the capsicum, the yellow and the red capsicum. I got some tomatoes. I got some garlic, onion, red onion, white onion. I got some ginger over here. I got my favorite fruit, which is a pineapple, of course. I got a kilo of beef, and I also got my favorite rum and raisin daily milk chocolate, and I got bananas as well. The knickknacks, but I'm more gravitating. I'm doing a detox, so I'm stocking up on this celery, carrots, what else, celery, carrots. I'm also taking cucumbers and things like that because I want to detox and yeah, try to eat clean as well. That's basically the grocery that I got. On to my favorite part of the video. I always call baking my favorite part because I have found my passion. So today we are making lemon and orange tart. So watch the video and enjoy. So we have our all-purpose flour, all the description and the ingredients is also going to be appearing on the screen and also going to be on the description box. I've added in on my flour, I have added in margarine. You can go ahead and use butter if you have it, but I'm using margarine on this recipe. So what I'm doing right here is rubbing in. So I'm rubbing the flour as well as with the margarine to mix it well. It has a breadcrumb texture. And then I'm adding in icing sugar and also 2 spoonfuls of yogurt. Mix the dough well. And then make this ball. Make sure that it is well incorporated together and you have a smooth dough. Then I'm going to divide this dough into 2 pieces, as you can see. One smaller part, I'm going to put this in the freezer for it to get cold, because you will see what I'm going to be using it for. And on this other part, I'm just going to start molding it into my baking tin. So I'm using this baking tin. All the measurements are going to be in the description bar if you want to try out this recipe. So I'm molding the other piece on my baking tin. Make sure that it is well molded, as you can see, and fold an inch of it around the baking tin as well. Refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Second process, we are going to make our 2 lemons and 2 oranges. So first we are going in for the zest. So this is the lemon zest, and I'm going ahead to grate the orange zest as well. Oh, it's so colorful. Then the next process is to just peel your lemon and your oranges. Peel them nicely and make sure that you remove most of the peels, because this part, if you leave it, it's going to make your tart a bit bitter, but we don't want that. So make sure you remove as much as the white substance as possible, and just leave the juicy part of the orange and lemon. And this is what we get. So next step, we are going to cut these pieces and of course remove all the seeds inside. Then we are using our blender, put everything in and blend the mixture to get a very smooth consistency. And this is what we get. So I'm pouring it into a clean sufuria. We have added in sugar and then cornstarch, and then we are going to add all the zest over here. This is going to make a very sweet and tangy tart. So mix all the ingredients here before putting it on heat, and make sure that the combination is perfect. Then on medium heat, put your sufuria or your cooking pot over here and start stirring this mixture until it starts boiling. Okay, so of course you're letting it stay here as well as stirring from time to time so that it can thicken and it is not lumpy at all. So cook it until it boils and it starts thickening. That's when you will know it's ready. Of course, the kitchen smells so beautiful right now, so flavorful. And once the tart is done, let it cool, and then from your baking tin, come and add in the tart. And then when that is done, remember the dough we put in the freezer? This is the dough that is going to cover our tart. Normally most people leave it like this and then they just bake it, but I just learned this little trick, and why not go try it? So the dough that we had frozen is now very hard, so it's very easy to grate it. So we are grating it and it's going to be the covering part of our tart. Look at this. And then when it's ready, our oven is heated up at 180 degrees Celsius, and this is going to bake in there for 35 minutes. And voila, our tart is ready. Look how colorful it is, and we are letting it on the plate. Of course, don't let it cool so much because we want the crust as hard as it comes. And once you put it on the plate, you can let it cool a little bit, and then of course you can serve it with a glass of milk or whatever drink you love. And it's just one of those perfect tarts you'll ever enjoy, and it was so delicious. Let me know if you're going to try out this recipe, guys.